today, exercise. Give yourself permission to take 20 minutes out of your day and exercise. Go to the gym, take that yoga class, take that walk, get on the stair climber, swim or dance for at least 20 minutes. Move your body. I know as a caregiver that it is extremely easier to say than to do. And that is the truth. When I was caring for Rose with dementia, I would have my friend come over while I got on the treadmill for 20 minutes. Or my friend would watch her for 20 minutes while I took a walk around the block outside in beautiful trees and fresh air. Had to do something because my health was at risk. So just for today, take that time and exercise. And if you're a caregiver that can't get out of the house more than 10 minutes at a time, then take 2 10-minute breaks and 2 10-minute walks. In the morning, take a walk for 10 minutes, and in the early evening, take a walk for 10 minutes. Did you know that exercise is an excellent treatment for mild to moderate depression? Do you ever notice how good you feel after a good workout? We feel more attractive. We feel thinner. We feel younger. We feel happier. So just for today, exercise.
Just for today, don't you worry. Just for